hashtag namin is creating ripples of positive change. Step up, inspire, make more ripples of positive change, eventually creating waves to the farthest shores across the universe. I really want to inspire more youth leaders, and we really want to change that into better governance.
Para sa akin, importante ang farmers, lalo-lalo na sa ating bansa kasi sila ang backbone ng ating nation. Pero yun nga, maraming struggles ang farmers natin at ito ang gusto kong i-create in the near future. Parang gusto kong i-challenge ang aking sarili kung kaya ko.
My both parents didn't have able to go to school, so I want to be an inspiration to others that like me in low-income people deserves the opportunity that everyone does else.
As a future educator, we have the power actually to transform communities, to create positive change, and to make lasting impact to the lives of every child and every Filipino people.